Today we're starting a new series called 31 Artists in 31 Days. Basically what we're doing is we are designing 31 artists in their style for 31 days. So if we land on Che, we're gonna make a cover for Che in the style of Rest in Bass. You know, like shit like that. The whole point of this video or this series is to basically help me, grow myself. Like I want to learn new shit. I want to try new shit and also bring you guys along with the journey, Hey, also if you guys want to join along, I'm gonna leave my inspiration boards in my Discord. I'm gonna have a whole section for the Pinterest boards. I'm gonna have a whole section for the 31 days where you guys can put your own designs in there for each day if you want. And I might even start streaming this on Twitch. After a few days of this, I might start streaming it just because shit, I think that would be fire. There's only 20 of artists right here, so you can see a Samsung Che. These are really artists I want to experiment with their aesthetic or their look. Yeah, if you guys have another artist, or if you guys have any artists you want me to try and do, drop them down below. I'm gonna try my best to get these motherfuckers down to a T. I'm trying to be fucking Thanos of this shit. I'm trying to fucking have every single fucking style and bring you guys with me. Anyways, enough of the fucking yap. Let's get straight into it. Okay, Yhapojj, this is a very interesting one because he has different styles, but the one I have in mind right now is 1.0, I think. I think this will be a really sick cover to do. Whoever made the cover, I'll leave right here. I'll just give credit because out of all the covers, I want to do this one for sure. I'm not really sure how the fuck he did it. We're gonna have to figure this shit out. I'm not sure how this is done, but it looks like some mystical, biblical painting. It kind of looks like he eats old shit, like the Two Alive. But yeah, we're gonna try and get this look. I'm not sure how. We're gonna start off with the Pinterest board, so we're gonna gather some inspiration. Like I said before, join the Discord. I'm gonna leave every artist inspiration down below, so you guys can go off my inspirations. I'm gonna even let you guys edit it and add your own inspirations to it. Please don't mess it up for other people. Just add shit that you think would look fire in it, right? This is gonna be really fucking fire, bro. I'm actually excited as fuck. Rip it up and do all this shit and then throw it away. And just waste a lot of paper. But if you guys want me to, yeah, I'll probably make a video on that shit, bro. So we're gonna go on Instagram. We're gonna look up Yhapojj. So Yhapojj. I like that shit a lot. So we have our main images here, right? Our main pictures. We're gonna put this shit in a folder. We're gonna see if we need to upscale it. Hopefully not. If we do, we have to end the recording. But alright, so we're gonna look up what would that shit even be? An ancient Roman fountain? Shit. Do we get him in this sus position? Do we use AI to get him in this position or not? I'm just saying, we could do that. I think it was an angel on top of the fountain. I'm not really too sure. It was something like this, right? It looked like that fucking raid map, bro. It looked like raid from BO2. That fucking fountain there. Come on, that. Oh wait, hold on, wait. Alright, so we're just gonna place this image in here like that. Let me fix the mic up. And we are going to just put Yhapojj in this shit somewhere in the middle. Right here. And it'll be he's in the foreground, that's just behind him maybe. And we'll try and blend it all in. Shit, my shit lagging right now. But we'll try and blend it all in. Kind of how this is. We're gonna try and get this kind of effect right here. I'm not really too sure what this is called, but I think we could get it. I think we could do it somehow, some way. So if we put it right there, and then bring the saturation down that bitch, boom, right there, boom. Some of this out like this. Then shit, I don't know what to do on him, but shit, we'll do something nice. We'll get rid of some of the reds just for the t-shirt here. Get rid of red. Get rid of some of the orange too. Bring some of the red back. And we this storm, kind of sky right here. This might work. This might just work. Perspective it. Boom. Well, I might just put the sky over and then just that's just so lazy, but I'm just not. Alright, boom, right? And we're gonna make this black and white. We're gonna make both of them black and white. And yeah, that's gonna be nice. I'm gonna go into my ultimate adjustment pack just to get some like different looks. So if you guys do want to go ahead and check it out, I do have a BOGO live right now, so you can buy one pack and get one free. You can do that as many times as you want. So if you buy 2, you get 2 for free, etc, etc. Yeah, so I kind of like this one. I just want to bring the saturation down a lot. So we're gonna grab a black and white adjustment, and we're just gonna bring the fill down a bit, just so we still have some color. And yeah, I think this is a pretty good kind of like starting base. Obviously we have to like darken a couple of things, but yeah, this is a pretty good starter. Right, so we're gonna darken the some like around the base of this image. So like right here, I want to keep the statue pretty bright, and then the sky more darker, just to make it kind of like more nightlight, more nighttime-ish, like you know what I'm saying, like give it more of that like grunge kind of like dark vibe. That's kind of like what I'm going for. Now we might not even need the grass right here, to be honest, like and we can do to be honest, yeah, let's just darken the whole kind of like image right here, get rid of it up top, and then we'll just come here and we'll just like make it's kind of like a vignette around it, just a little bit more, and I think that's pretty fire, pretty nice. Now obviously the texture is going to change because we're going for this look right here. Like I don't know what the hell we're gonna do for this, but yeah, I want to go more black and white, more chromatic. The fuck is it? Chromatic, more chromatic. But yeah, I want to do more monochromatic, but also I kind of want to do like colors in there as well. Like I don't know how we're gonna do it, bro. This is honestly like a problem solving fucking video, bro. Like I genuinely don't know how the fuck we're gonna do this. I have some sort of an idea. I think we would have to go into filter gallery. So let's just try that shit out. Filter gallery. We'll just mess around with different shit. So we'll get rid of this. I think chrome might be like the way, or maybe a watercolor. But no, I think chrome might be the way. So if we go to, I don't even know where it is. Stylize, texture. If we go to sketch here, we'll just go through all of these. Like, hey, that might be it right there. We just gotta go through this shit. Like chrome could be it. We'll try this one right here. We'll mess around with these different settings. So that might be it. It's kind of it, right? Hey, hold on. That's kind of like close, right? We just have to add blurs and shit like that. Let's just try it. We'll like flip it. We'll do some shit like this. We're like, hey, we just gotta mess around with blend modes pretty much. I think we have it pretty much down though. Like it's pretty close. I don't know if this is like exactly it. I think we're getting there, bro. I think we're getting there. Flip that shit up vertical. Go crazy with it. Just gotta make it like dirty as shit. Like, to get these colors though, like what the fuck will we do to get them colors? A lot of this looks kind of like spray painted on, so we might have to do like some spray paint shit. But this is actually pretty like, I'm actually surprised, I'm not gonna lie. Like this is pretty fucking there. Like shit, bro, this is pretty fucking accurate. A little bit. Like this looks like a Yhapojj fucking cover, bro. And by the way, Yhapojj clowned me on the cover art, bro. Shit broke my heart. But shit, you know, hey, you fumble some shit, you get better at shit, you know. Hey, it is what it is, bro. It is what it is, but you're gonna get clowned, bro. Brings a tear to me, bro. He dropped like 3 laughing emojis, bro. Shit, that shit really did break my heart, bro. I commented, I was like, yo, let me make something for real. I tried to play it off as a joke, bro. I made that shit dead ass serious, bro. It was pretty ass, I'm not gonna lie. Like that shit was, but yeah, we're gonna have to like redo like all this shit if we want to add him in here. So we're just gonna see if it would even look good. Like imagine we put him here, bro. I would get clowned like a fucking bitch. Oh my god. Nah, I think this is really good though. This is actually really like tough right now how it is with this texture and everything like that. I think this texture is really good. So you know, once again, I'm gonna show you guys these settings just in case you guys want to like copy this shit. This is actually pretty tough. It's the bas relief. I don't know what the fuck that is, but it's in the sketch tab. Detail, smoothness, light. I didn't even know you could do this shit. Just do bottom. Seems like the best. But yeah, that's I don't know, I think this really is like sick, bro. I don't know. We just gotta add some color, like I'm not really sure how to add color. Like maybe if we do like gotta do something crazy, bro. Gotta do something fire. So what if we like colorize this with this like blue? Then we do the filter gallery. So the filter gallery basically runs off of your color picker here, by the way, if you guys don't know that. So we're just gonna try that. We're gonna see how this works. Just mess around with blend modes. It's like layering shit on top. Like we could honestly just get like random pictures. Like we could probably get this picture right here and just like layer it on top. We could do something like that. Just like random. Well, if we like, don't fucking lie to me, that shit hard. That shit tough as a bitch. And then we could, hey bro, I'm telling you, I'm gonna keep fucking going, bro. This is like probably the millionth like layer. Or if we like do this shit, we just cut this out. And then we like have this right here. And then we do this. We make this kind of like look. Then we merge this shit. And then we flip it 90 degrees. And then we stretch it out. Pause. And low-key, this shit like by itself is kind of like cool. We like flip that 90 degrees back. That's kind of fire, bro. That's kind of tough on its own. Like this shit right here. What the fuck? Wait, hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, that's kind of fire. Okay, that's low-key fire, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Even this shit right here, even though it's like a sharp edge, that's kind of like cool. I love it like that, bro. I don't know what it is, man. I think it's just this right here. I really like this part right here. Like if we just get that and we put that there, and then we put to lighten, and then we get rid of here, just like the sharp edges and shit like that. We just have that. That's really fire. Merge all this shit. We could honestly do some like warp and shit too. See what happens, bro. Like I feel like with this you just have to like do random shit, because like it's so random and weird. You just have to do random shit. We have to do like some blur. Hope we put like a zoom on this shit. Let's see, radio blur and zoom. Put that shit up to 100. I think maybe we have to add another blur gallery on this, or filter gallery. We have to add this back onto it, and then we have to, you know, maybe if we, I kind of want to make it like the same kind of like colors as it. So if we kind of like, oh, what do y'all think about this shit, bro? Oh no, bro. I think this is pretty close to the effects used. I'm not entirely sure. Like, I think we can do like some more filter gallery shit. So we'll go into filter gallery. We'll try out some like water paper maybe, or the let me see. Do that. Filter gallery. Put the fucking watercolor on that bitch. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Now I feel like it's a bit dark, so what we want to do is literally just like bring all this shit up, and then just like basically put the light in, and just like have it in the dark areas. So like we could even add like a castle like right here. Oh, I think that would be fire actually. Hold on, let's add a fucking castle right there. Show fucking Irish castles here, bro. Let's do like Gothic. Let's see what's like a tough fucking castle. Even if it's fake, fuck it. That's hard. Look at that shit already, bro. What the fuck? Alright, so we're gonna have to like redo all this shit if we're gonna add this, right? Or could we just like add it right here? I'm gonna add some sort of like motion blur here, like that. Boom. With like lighter color. Oh shit. Might just keep this right here. Like I think that's pretty fire itself. Like I don't think we really need much else. I think that right there is tough. But we could have it like this where it's both of them. Like it's such a retarded like, oops, did not mean to say that. It's such a stupid like idea to I'm like not mess around with this shit. Not show some attention, you know, you gotta show that shit attention. But It's such a small little detail that I should not be focusing on, not gonna lie. But yeah, let's add a parental advisory on this and call it a day. Okay, so that is the cover. We're just gonna do some finishing touches with camera raw filter, and yeah, let's just like bring up the contrast a little bit, maybe like texture. There's a lot of grain on here. I want to get rid of that shit, so let's just go back in. Kind of like, we might just get rid of this texture in general. It does provide a lot of light, so we're just gonna get rid of like some areas. Just using a mask. By the way, if this video isn't completely clear to you, go back to like other videos, my past videos. I do go more in depth with it. This series is more about the you know, the creation process, my thought process, all that shit. That's why it's more like a little bit more raw. This video is like an hour long, so this is probably gonna be cut down to about 20-30 minutes, and that's gonna be every video this one. So if you guys are trying to learn it from scratch, go to the previous videos. Most of them are beginner friendly, like you can follow like step by step. This series is for me to grow my kind of like craft, like expand a little bit, and to show you guys like the whole shit, like the whole just everything around it. Hopefully you guys can learn as much as I learn with this shit. But yeah, that's pretty much all it is, bro. But yeah, we're just gonna finish off a camera raw filter, like I said. We're just gonna add like a vignette. So I want to bring the contrast down a little bit, just so it's more like fucking, what's it called, more faded out a little bit. Maybe if we bring the dehaze out a bit too, we can fade out even more, just so we get this like cool effect, bro. I think this is really sick. I really fuck with this purple look too, over the blue. I think this is really nice. But we could honestly keep the blue look, so I'm just going to duplicate it just so we have the purple, and then we'll just go back down here. By the way, I just changed the calibration on this shit just to get different looks, different colors and shit like that. But yeah, I really like this. If you guys like this cover art, let me know down below. I'm gonna leave the Pinterest board, like I said before, down below or in my Discord. Join the fucking Discord. Follow along with the challenge if you guys want to. You know, I'll have a whole channel in the Discord for this, you know, shit. You can drop your own shit in there. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below who you want to see on the wheel. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be posting all my covers from this challenge on there every single fucking day. So yeah, anyways, peace.